So this is what the stock motor mount looks like. See how it's offset? That's bad. It's supposed to be perfectly aligned. When it starts getting offset, you know it's tearing itself apart. It's time for a new one. But they sent us ones with 8mm studs. These have 10mm studs. And where your engine is concerned, you don't want to short yourself on fastener size. The 8mm will probably loosen up and jangle around, and you'll be in there in another 2 weeks. We don't want to do that, so we're going to remanufacture our motor mounts. So this is how it starts out. We've got it clamped in our special clamp, so we'll heat up that plate and it'll melt off. Then we'll melt off the bottom plate. There's just rubber in the middle of that. All right, next step is we clean up the end plates, and we're going to make 4 holes so that the urethane can push through and lock into the plate. All right, we got a chamfer bit here. We're going to chamfer these holes so that the polyurethane comes through the hole and spreads out. There we go. 4 nicely chamfered holes. I'll deburr them, clean it up, pour the poly. Here's our plates ready to go. I just sanded off any burrs that were left over, and just use a basic sander. Nothing fancy. Here we go. We got a little bit of laundry hanging up. I didn't take a video of it, of us painting them. You know what that looks like. But a couple coats of paint, and then we'll install them on the truck. That's an 85 durometer polyurethane. Countersunk holes. It should hold together pretty well. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.